What's up, guys? Welcome to an amazing 2024. This is just an appreciation views. This is me saying thank you to all my brides, event planners that booked any Gele craft, to all the people that referred, to all the people that supported us as a brand one way or the other. This is me saying a big thank you. And to all my 2024 brides, make sure you send us a DM to book down your dates. It's always safe when you book your dates early. And also to my fans out there, I will be dropping lots of tutorials soon. Get ready to learn a skill, get ready to learn different styles of Gele and how to tie them properly. So also on my YouTube channel, I'll be dropping so many videos for you this year. We have so much in stock for you this year. Make sure you don't miss anything. To everyone, I wish you a prosperous 2024 and amazing year as we begin. I'll see you guys in my next video. Any Gele craft.
Grace Odu Baje Odu bastard. Odu crazy.
Wait for it.
Oh man. Ela ti ba video jẹ.